make sure to subscribe to my channel, AK7TV, and make sure to hit that bell button to get notified, and like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello.
Hey guys, it's your girl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And also, if you're new, hey, my name is AK Doll, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, because that is very important. Very, very important. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, so that you don't miss any more of my videos. I really love making videos like this. Even more unboxing videos, I really love making unboxing videos. But yeah, and also make sure to share the video, because it helps me a lot. So today we are making a Holi special, but if you haven't watched my Star Special video yet, make sure to watch it, or if you already have watched it, you can watch this video. So yeah, we're doing a Holi special. And okay, some of you viewers are from different countries, outside of India, but some of you not Indian viewers might know what Holi is. If you don't know what Holi is, just search it up on Google. I think all the information will be there. So yeah. Okay, I almost forgot to say this sentence, but there is a sale on Amazon. Let's get on to the video and let's unbox this package. So here's the package. Okay. It just came in the other side, but whatever. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, I have unboxed this. It's my Amazon. Also, if you don't know what the logo, the arrows pointing to the A, just pointing to the Z, that means they have everything in stock. Probably some items are sold out, but yeah, they have everything to A to Z. So some of you guys probably didn't know that. So yeah. Woo! It's a charger. It looks very nice. Also, I forgot to say about the whole thing. Okay, it is all about colors. Just you playing with colors. Then you may ask, how? We just have powders. We just play with powders splash on. We have water guns spraying at everybody. In 2019, that was literally the best year of my life. Okay, I was literally spraying it on my best friend Minu, my other best friend. So yeah, okay. But now let's go. Let's unbox this product. Even though we already unboxed it from this package, even though there's another box inside of it. I don't know why it's weird, but let's move on to the video. So guys, today we're unboxing the box made from a brand called boAt. We have unboxed headphones from boAt. So yeah, if you haven't watched that video, make sure to check it out after you're done watching this video. The brand is boAt. It is a 2-in-1 charger, universal compatibility, Type-C plus MicroUSB. But let's unbox the box. Okay, ooh, how do I open this? Okay, try not to get angry, because I get mad easily. Okay, I speak like a American for some reason, but okay. Okay, I opened the wrong side. Also, there's a warranty, of course there's a warranty.
No.
I always have to do that. But yeah, here's the warranty. 2 years, okay. 2 years. So yeah, here's this is the call. This is the number. So yeah, you could just call them. I'm gonna open it, but oh my god, it's tied. It's tied. You can open it too. Okay. Okay, this is a really beautiful way. So oh my god, I never seen a charger. Okay, this is way more beautiful than. So yeah, let's move on to the highlights of this product. This is a 3A fast charging cable. The build quality is very good. So yeah, it has up to 10,000 bending life. Here's a demonstration. It has a very innovative design, which is cool. It is cool. And this is travel friendly, which means you can take it wherever you travel or whichever country you go. So yeah, it is travel friendly. So this product is durable because this is a premium, it is in premium quality. So that means it lasts for a very long time, more than 2 years I think. So yeah, it is durable. Good going boat for an innovative design. Very, very epic and swag. So this is tangle free. Yeah, you not have any hassle, and most of the time people just spend their time untangling their cables. Well, you should totally buy this because it is totally tangle free. This cool gadget is under 500, which is very, very nice. So yeah, amazing.
Hey!
This is one of Amazon's must-have product. I'm going to faint. What? It's amazing. It comes with 2 years warranty, and if there's something wrong with your cable, just call the number, it's right here. Okay, this is give a missed call to the number, and they will just fix it for you or give you a new one if they can't fix what's wrong with your cable. The product is very sturdy. So this comes in matte red color, which is absolutely amazing, beautiful color. I love it. So yeah, let's move on to the next highlights of this product. It is value for money. Charging power is great. It comes in 2 color variants, matte red and mercurial blue, which is nice color choices, amazing. So yeah, so you guys are at the end of the video. So also, I really enjoyed making this Holy Special. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I really enjoyed making this Holy Special. Don't mind me, my dog is just trying to break the door. So yeah, don't mind that. And also, you don't want to miss more new videos, right? Do you? You said okay. So guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. And also make sure to like my videos because it helps me a lot. And also share my videos because it helps me a lot.